Hello, my students. Welcome to my class. Today is Wednesday, 29th July 2020. Topic, my town. Performance, preposition. Okay, I need that you open your book, page 41, please. And we read and identify the vocabulary first, and then read the paragraph, and finally we make the exercise. Okay, start. Vocabulary. Please you copy that in your notebook and draw the meaning of the words. Bandstand. This is the place. Town hall. Look that. Church. Church. Toy store. And movie theater. Okay? This is the vocabulary. Please copy in your notebook the vocabulary. I have you here. Like this. Bandstand, church, town hall, toy store, and movie theater. Okay, continue with preposition. Preposition of place. Between. Look. Monster is between two boxes. Between, okay? Opposite. Similar to Spanish. Opposite. One side and the other side. Opposite. Right and left. Right, left. They are the preposition. Okay, continue with the activity. Okay, please read with me or follow me. Yo sé que aquí no se ve bien, pero tú puedes verlo en tu libro, página 41, ¿ok? Continue. I like going to the town center. This is the town center. Is the place of the center of the city, of the town, the center of the town. There is a small park with a bandstand in the center. Look, this is a small park, and in the center we found a bandstand. The town hall is on one side of the park. In one side of the park. Like this, puede ser este o este. Nos dice que está en un lado del parque. Hasta ahí no nos dice nada más. ¿Ok? The town hall is on one side of the park. There is a church opposite the town hall. Okay, the church, look there. And the opposite. Look, the opposite. There is a movie theater between two restaurants. The theater. Between two restaurants. The library is opposite the movie theater. The movie theater, and look, the library. There is a toy store, the toy store on the left of the library. Look, and a hotel on the right, and a hotel on the right. Okay, I need that you please write the names, point C, read and label the buildings. Como marque el nombre de los edificios. You please make this activity in this moment. The church, town hall, library, restaurant, hotel, and toy store. Nice homework is one activity, okay, that you complete in your book. And D, point D. Number 1. I borrow great books from the... Yo presto, pido prestado. Great books from the library. Okay, you write here, please. Library. I eat my favorite food at the... This is easy. Restaurant. Delicious. I go to on Sundays. I go to the church. Okay, we finished this activity. Bye, my students. Have a good day. Bye. Please, with pencil, don't forget, with pencil. Please, bye.